And going to extreme lengths to look like Barbie. Grown women drastically changing their looks to resemble the iconic doll. Images of a young woman have a lot of people crying foul today. The 21-year-old from Russia claims she is a real-life Barbie, as in the doll. But it's not just makeup. Some believe she has undergone extensive plastic surgery, all in an effort to look like one of the most famous and perhaps controversial plastic toys. Eyewitness News reporter Kimberly Richardson is here to show us this very strange obsession. Kim.
It is strange. Barbie was born on March 9th, 1959, and was an instant hit. In fact, Mattel claims it sells 3 Barbie dolls every second. But some women seem to have a strange fixation with her that goes way beyond child's play.
I just kind of like the natural process of, life, living, and aging.
After all, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But imagine if Barbie magically morphed into a human being. Experts say she'd be 5'9", 110 pounds, and be so out of proportion, would be a 38 double D, she'd have to walk on all fours. Seems far-fetched. Not to this 21-year-old Russian woman who claims to have transformed into a real-life Barbie. She's not the only one. This Barbie wannabe says she had a nose job, lip injections, and dyed her hair, all to look like the doll who many little girls consider a best friend.
Everybody ends up feeling inadequate in some way or another.
Dr. Alan Ravitz says going to such extremes breeds dissatisfaction with body image.
It ends up building low self-esteem. It ends up building this kind of idea that no matter how good you are, you're never good enough. Nobody has an 18-inch waist, except for people with anorexia nervosa.
But this obsession to be like Barbie?
This tutorial is going to show you how to look like...
It's even here. This YouTube video has gotten nearly 25 million hits. Doctor, if a patient were to come in and said, I want to look like Barbie, would you do it?
I would say no.
Because among other things, the doctor says looking like this is not compatible with life. It would be difficult to have normal body functions. And he points out the patient, regardless of what the plastic surgeon did, would never be good enough.
Body dysmorphic disorder is a situation where somebody thinks about themselves in such a low esteem that in many ways you can't ever satisfy their goals.
Now, experts say one of the most troubling things with all of this is that these women are using such a rigid set of criteria to define beauty, adding plastic surgery is meant to enhance the body, not transform it. Liz and David.
Wow. Very good point. And I like that. I want to reemphasize the point that real Barbie would be on all fours.
Like a puppy.
Like a puppy.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you, Kimberly.
Okay.